And this is the matter.
That's the matter, and this is your matter stick.
And this is the matter too. And it comes soft.
Right.
I used to cook chicken. On a chew. At the school I used to give. I used to play some football.
You used to play football?
Kick ball. I'm ball ball.
How much day a week you used to go to market?
I go Thursday, Friday, and come on Saturday.
And so that eat vegetable.
And I used to tell chocolate,
Okay, what do you do it up?
make chocolate and get the market of sale.
Otherwise, she used to make love making entirely.
Alright people, so we are climb up this hill here. And then when we get to the top of the hill, there will be a story on the other side. The story of a 100-year-old Jamaican woman who up until COVID hit, still did a go down this hill here, go to market and walk back up this hill here. Right now, I'm there huff and a puff. I'm not reach halfway yet. And a 100-year-old lady live up here. So we're up on the road and we are going to meet yet another rather special, extremely special Jamaican. 100-year-old Essie Willucks. And we are going to vibe with her as she share her life story and give us some tips as to how she managed to live so long. So Jamaica Uncut road trip, Claremont in a Hanover. And up here have some of the most amazing view. I was blown away. The road wicked, you know, the road well bad, but the view is amazing. So we soon forward. Please, hold dog. Hold dog, please.
Yes, it's on here today, Sabbath.
All right. Whew. What a journey.
What a journey, what a good exercise.
Mom, if you tell you, oh my God. Boy, the view up here nice though.
It is.
What an amazing view, man.
I'm gonna see the real
Oh
view.
my God.
From behind me, you could see Lucy.
Oh my God.
And you could see Montego Bay from just right out there.
Alright, so today we are in Jericho at, where's your name? Claremont. Baptist Hill. Why, people, I'm here to me climb some hill to come up and right now, I swear. And we are here today in the presence of yet another extremely special Jamaican. 100-year-old Essie Willucks. Yes. Miss Essie,
Willucks.
how are you?
I'm feeling pain.
I mean, that's expected. We expect that.
Pain. I'm feeling much pain, but it's then
Yes.
giving the problem.
How does it feel to be 100-year-old?
Really, I feel alright. I go work, I go market. When market and I work, I come from working all around the yard. It's just late in the day. I just feeling the pain and going around me.
When you stop one market?
When we stop one market this year,
Which part of market? Which you used to go market?
I used to go
Where you used to go?
Montego Bay.
Montego Bay.
Yeah.
So hold on now. How you get up this hill here with your goods?
I can take donkey out, so I'm donkey, I'm loading road and road, and the hill and then get out here.
Where you born? You born right here?
Right here.
So you've been living here your entire life?
Right here and living here, right here.
Wow. So me feel like say, at them hill them make you live so long, you know. Keep you fit.
The hills
You
them
climb over the hill them.
can be from here right to me that way, right down back.
Right. You remember your grandparents?
And remember grandparents. Not my mother.
Hmm.
My mother,
You remember your mother?
Martha James,
Right.
Alexander Lawrence,
So your father.
my father.
What kind of father your father was? What kind of man he was?
He used to contribute
Or in the farming?
to contribution.
So you used to have to go out ground when you were a little girl. And what's my thing when you used to plant?
And he grew me up in the yard.
Mm.
Father grew me up same place in the yard. Yeah.
So your father come from right as too?
Breadfruit, banana, breadfruit, banana, yellow yam, plantain, banana, all them things there.
Mm.
The father used to plant.
You used to like to go around with him? Or you used to frowns up your face?
Sometimes I not feel like I feel like when I'm not going to school, I go out,
Around.
run with it.
Mm.
Yeah. I at school.
Yeah, you got school, yeah.
At school, I used to play some football,
You used to play football?
kickball. I'm ball ball.
You play cricket too?
Cricket.
Yes.
I'm playing cricket.
So I'm to gig on there something there?
Yeah.
I'm marble on there something there?
Oh, yes, I didn't think it. I didn't think that in my body, I know.
Yeah.
I mean to say what I said about it. Needs very hockey used to be my hockey island thing there.
Yeah.
I said planting, banana planting, yam, I didn't think that by and just remark it and said. What the pub, what bush, used to pick up on the yard
Right.
and sell and buy what bush, peppermint, peppermint books.
Yes.
I them books there. Yeah, I used to sell. When I was going to school,
Okay.
the teacher about some of the books. I used to do a check work on.
And who you used to get it from? Who you get it from? Oh, for real? I make drums or something?
Make pudding out of
Oh, you used to make coconut oil?
pudding.
Oh, you make pudding?
Make pudding.
What kind of pudding you love make?
And potato
Me
pudding.
love potato pudding, you know.
Potato and coconut drops.
Mm-hmm.
I didn't put, I didn't peel and boil coconut oil
I used to sell at the market too?
and get at the market.
Wow.
It was too great.
Mm-hmm. How much?
I worked 100 at one time.
Yes. Because you say you used to get like 200 up to 300 coconut oil.
Yes, I greater to be an hour. After greater.
Right.
After greater. After greater now. I just freeze it up because I'm in the morning and come up. And they still me off. And I still me off back. But I put it on the fire and boil it. Make oil.
Right.
Yeah.
Oh, wow. And where you learn that from?
Who teach me for that?
Yeah.
Yes, when I go to market, the people and you see the people and you to all and stuff. The people and used to how the man used to all them pin them, said them.
Right.
After going out there, take the people and go to market. and then your market. I what have to what give. One man me license shop. A man being license in that shop we used to go and market and that shop.
And the truck come pick you up out here, so?
Okay. And he picked me up out the restaurant and your market and then come back.
How much day a week you used to go to market?
Well, I live Friday, about Thursday, Friday, and come on Saturday. And come on Saturday.
And you used to sleep in the market?
Yes, I used to sleep at the market. I met women at the market, and sleeping at the market.
How long did you do that for?
Very, I never remember, I can't remember that, but it's a long time.
About 50 years?
Not so much,
Not so much.
not so much.
Mm.
And I used to tell chocolate,
That's
chocolate,
the one you great up?
It's chocolate.
What?
She said it's chocolate.
For real?
make chocolate and get the market upstairs.
That I want to make chocolate tea.
Chocolate tea,
Yes.
really chocolate. I make really chocolate. Really chocolate.
Wow.
Charity.
People, watch a style now. See it there. Whole heap of chocolate. See it there? It's like cocoa. And then you beat this and make it chocolate.
It's had the cocoa.
This is the cocoa.
It's had the cocoa of the chocolate.
You don't want to matter, man.
This part already, then you
All that
beat
part already.
yes, and you beat it. After you beat it now, it comes soft.
Right.
After it comes soft now, you roll it in it. But you want to roll it. And you want to roll it like it, and the way you want to beat it too. You shake it up. And it's at the matter.
That's the matter and this is your matter
And
stick.
it's at the matter too. And it comes soft.
Right.
After I beat it, now it comes soft. And then the roll it. When it gets hot, now, roll it. And make the chocolate on it. And I'm the one who roll it. I'm the one who roll it along. And
Or you make them long so. Like a dumpling.
right.
Right.
And it's the market that we about. I would probably, I will do it for more when I'm the market. If I never take sick,
You probably still have a market.
I will do.
Or true. So up until COVID, she was still going to the market.
She used to do it up and down and come up and sit down. That's where she get all these pain. She never used to have pain. Made man?
No, my head nice, man.
It's nice.
Okay, I'm Delta. Willis Campbell. I'm the third to last.
You're the third to last child?
Yes.
Okay. How does it feel to still have her in your life, in your presence?
It's a joy. It's more than a joy knowing that I do not have a child alive. So she is my daughter, she is my mother, she's my everything. Well, back in the days, she was such a strict woman. She would beat you for nothing at all. She would beat you for nothing. If I get up in the morning, she come here like 3 o'clock in the morning and she would tie it like this. And if you take off the tie and you leave it on the bed, expect her coming to school. And she asks the teacher for you. Sometimes she do not ask.
Just walking.
She know the class, she just come in and she does like this. And she come in and she grab you. And she go in front of the class. And she spank you right there.
Oh my.
And she tell every children to laugh, every student to laugh. And when I see when me gone, when I still laugh, and you see if me say nothing, when you not see me tell me, you see when she leave, laughing spoil, I'll break time, and you cannot say anything else than another beating tomorrow again.
Oh my.
This is how she treat us.
How much children she have?
13,
13.
6 alive.
6 alive. And did she ever get married?
Yes.
Okay, her husband died how long ago?
Well, the is in England.
Okay.
But
And-
it's
and
my
you-
father.
Oh, that's not your father?
No.
Okay. And she only got married one time?
Yes.
Okay, cool. So, other than the beating, what are some of the other childhood memories that you have growing up with her? Maybe with your siblings, them, just around the yard.
Okay, she would like, because from I know her, she would not work. She would like going to market. Before that, yes, she used to do a little in the cane piece. Then from there is the market. So she would like wake us in the morning like at 2 o'clock. So we didn't have this truck where she talking about to take us to the market, take her to the market.
So you used to go to market with her?
Yeah, man.
Oh, wow.
We close market at the same time in Corona. When I leave by her, I don't leave her.
Wow.
A couple of years I was away, but after she gets old and daughter and granddaughter used to live here, everybody go. So I decided, we have to come home. So I come back home. But back in the sibling days, she would like wake us up like 2 o'clock in the morning. So close to Fiesta, we would have to go see a pink shop out in the road where you park. Tell him we're Angela, let me stop there.
Yes.
You would have to take that road, go straight down and go close to Fiesta.
That you would take
Carry
her
down
back to
the
the main road.
Carry down the plantain or the banana or whatever
Okay.
she get to market. And like she catch the bus 5 o'clock. So after taking the bus, we would like sleep in the cane piece or sleep in our hut until the daylight out. We comes up. Come back. We have to like go like almost Eglinton, if you know Eglinton, for water.
Yes.
For water.
And come back up the hill.
This way.
Oh,
This
you want
way.
that way.
Yes.
Okay.
Or down in our gully down there, so we call it Maniani. So you'd have to full drum with bucket lamp before the daylight out and go back to your bed. It was hard. It's not a bed of rose. It wasn't a bed of rose growing up.
But looking back now, would you change anything?
No.
Because in fairness, it make you the strong woman that you are.
I am.
So it's almost like she did not prepare you.
Yes.
See them saying, yeah.
Yes.
Do you remember when the Queen came to Jamaica?
No,
You remember?
I don't remember.
Okay. Tell me about something that happened where you're sorry say happened.
Sit down. Get up and sit down one place and can't do nothing at all.
Oh, that makes us sad.
Sometimes I would like to walk with the foot and I can't walk. I can't make it. I have to sit down and cry over all those things that I can't do again.
You ever see rolling car for a little girl?
Yeah, but that when I was just too mad.
Tell me that story there.
I never really get up, sit down and remember and look back and remember nothing about him.
Oh, yeah.
I went straight to them. I can't miss my own find them.
Yeah.
My own find them, so I never imagine nothing about them.
Okay, so you remember that
And
more.
I just won't find them. Probably after 1 hour, I won't I don't find them.
I don't know where you run. You can't run now. You can't run now.
Can't remember them now.
Oh. Only you saw if you go a cane field as a little girl go cut cane. Cane.
Cane.
When you saw if you go a cane field.
I cut cane. Oh, I used to cut cane. On a queue.
You want queue?
I used to cut cane and the machine. And chop my cane. After I chop my cane. But you don't want to put in, but I tie up the cane sometimes. Sometimes I don't tie them, don't go tie them. I put them in a heap. And see them come and take them.
So how much cane you used to cut?
We used to put in a heap and tie up in a bungle. And then come and look at it. We call it heap and bungle. What heap, I can't remember.
Okay.
Can't remember how much I used to cook, no.
How much you used to pay them the time if you cut cane?
We get bungle, we get eat.
How much a bungle you used to give you? How much money?
Much a bungle and said we get bungle.
How much a bungle? You remember?
I
Like
think
shilling?
$60
Okay. But a shilling you used to get the time you do?
Yeah.
Okay.
Alright, tell me something you remember about her as a young man and she a younger woman.
Well, you know, so when we growing, we do a fair yard, we ramp inside the house, outside, cook and eat together same way. Yeah. She's a jovial woman, you know.
Right.
Yeah, she's very jovial. And you never hear she no make and them thing there, you know. She's a market lady. That's what she live by.
Right.
Yeah.
Alright, Ma Slide. Yeah man, I hope you live to see 100 too.
I would like to.
You'd like to?
Yeah.
Can you look like in your 70s, I got 80 now?
Oh my God, you know.
Right.
You know.
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah man. So, what going on, Lolo?
Good.
Tell me some of the things that you remember growing up with Miss Essie.
Well, me know when I used to go to market, St. James Market, and go from Thursday and never come back until it's Saturday. When you come back Saturday, I'm come off down by Pint Road, and then coming up this road, Pint, and then in Carlway, and we go down, me and Sugar, that's our next sister over there. And we go down on the road and we meet her, and she come up.
You did Fred or beaten? Or you never used to beat, you know?
Using beat me. Lock we out.
When you got a boyfriend?
And beat me when me go look boyfriend, but me not get a party. No, me not get a party.
Would you say she was a strict lady? Okay.
Very strict.
But, I mean, what would you change about your growing up with her? Now that you look back.
Well, me for a long time me leave her, and I'm not 100 go with her.
Okay.
But me went too bad, so me ended
You
up.
never left. You couldn't take your strictness.
No, I couldn't take it.
Alright.
And she beat me.
Okay. You feel you deserve your just regular Jamaican parents who just love
I
you.
deserve it because me get in the road.
Alright, Lolo, come on.
She put on a little, she put on a little shorts and come out and say, Auntie, you think you alone sexy? Watch me on my battery rider.
Miss Essie, a true? A true something? Say a hot girl. Can you wear little short shorts? You wear your short shorts?
Not too short.
Not too short? Okay. Well, you like your short shorts though?
So I said she go market, she said like, you know, call herbs,
Right.
like dandelion and you could do something.
Okay. And you how long have you known her?
Eh?
How long have you known her?
From me born, me know her.
Oh, you saw her you're born?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
I'm 60, I know me say she long
So you know her for 60 years then?
Yes.
Alright. What is your name?
Donovan, man.
Donovan.
Yes, man.
How you feel to have her around you still all this time?
Well, feel good enough. For, you understand?
See?
She could have lived a long time now, and the goodness, the grace, God just hold him strong. You know, I love that.
Yeah.
Yeah, I
Tell
love
me some of
that.
the things that you remember about her when you was a youth.
She?
Yeah.
Oh, my man, whole heap of things that she...
some man,
Right.
some, yeah man.
My days coming up with her, I used to go dance with her. When him go in dance, him bring with him. That means he when dance over me, follow her go over, yeah?
See?
Yeah, and she was nice. Can't tell you about her, good mother.
So I'm to the days when she used to go to market and
Oh
things.
my, basket, I can't do what to tell, I can't, boy, man, sometimes, everybody leave me and what me still have to go and help her for, that's where food they come from.
Oh, so you used to have to come meet her road and help her
Yes,
carry her
man,
things?
yes, man, me up and down the bush with her, right, during the time.
Seen.
Help her look for her things, go market.
Yeah.
He used to have me a market with him too, yeah? Come in and just sit there.
See?
Yeah, man.
First school and you beat up and back.
Yeah, she used to carry me up at school, girl, beat me sometimes.
But everybody.
Yeah, man, you have to go to school. It's from school, yeah?
Yeah.
So, yeah, man.
Let me when you played when you were.
So she did strict more on her father or what?
She been strict. She would go up with the mother more than the dad.
Ah.
Yeah? But dad won't leave and gone on the other side.
Yeah.
So when you see her, we know. Yeah?
Cause she could tell me say,
Yeah?
he used to come beat him right in the class, you know.
Yeah, man, I say you see that. I didn't do it. Yeah. And me get every lick. And me get the most lick still. But
See?
yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah, man.
But your other sister also tell me say she get the most lick, the one who live on the hillside.
Lolo?
Hey,
I don't know
Lolo.
about them, but me get it.
Lolo say get lick till him off the runway.
Yeah, man. It's still good on the but anytime we get him, get to our brain and man.
Yeah.
Yeah. So when him a lick, you know, lick one, you know.
Everybody.
Everybody get lick.
See?
Yes, yeah.
Alright.
But loving mother.
Alright, cool.
Loving mother, sir. Loving mother.
Blessed love.
If we could put more life now, that makes you live even next 100.
For real.
Can't put it, you hear?
That's how you go, man.
Good lady, sir. Good lady. Good lady.
Loved by the community, just like that.
Yeah, man. So how long do you know her?
Me a bigger man face, man, so me know him before him.
You know him born?
Right now,
Yeah.
my time is 64 this year now.
Eh.
Yeah,
See?
64 this
Really,
year.
they are-
How much grandchildren you give her?
Me give her four.
4.
Yeah.
So you're not related to her?
Oh, no.
You just know her your whole life.
But that's why me country and I just want to see them.
Yes.
And Anna say you're born too?
Yes,
I'm
man.
born and go and see because I'm uncle. No.
Oh, for real? So you born up here too?
You will have really come.
Me love that most of the people who me say born here.
Born, man. We are born, man. You will have to see us.
See?
And then I never left him out.
Yeah.
Why did you decide to start Mobay Market with her?
Okay. After leaving school, my school, that's where she school us from, 5 of us. That's where she earned her living from. So I just decided that I want to take her footstool.
Right.
So I could remember going to market like at making my first money for myself was like at 16 years old.
Wow.
And I could remember that dress right now that I was wearing. And I could remember the shoes I was wearing and that day with a basket of guinea.
So again, you start out with?
Guinea I started out with, yes. And from then, keep going to the market until I stopped for a while. Then I started to do like bar work for a living until after a couple of years, I stopped and I went back to the market.
Me still can't believe that she went to the market up until
Corona. We don't know pain until she stopped.
with her basket on her head and the whole works.
Yes. And most of that time she was here all by herself.
Wow.
All by herself. Because I was at the market with her in the period of that time, but I live a market. Because I built a room in my shop, because I have my shop in the market, a bar. So then I make that comfort for her. I build a room there and I put a bed in it. So she got the comfort when she's at market. So most times Sunday to Sunday, that's where I am.
What's her favorite thing to cook?
Chicken and pork.
Chicken and pork. And then she said she'd be a pudding or pudding bag.
Yes.
Yes.
Yeah, with the flour.
Yes.
Yeah, she used to love.
Yeah.
Every Sunday evening you put that after dinner, she would
You
be.
get a piece of pudding.
No, not for Sunday. Like Monday lunchtime, we come home, come have lunch from school.
Oh, since I will come back from school.
Yes,
remember that.
yes, that's what she would make. Otherwise, she used to love making tire leaf. Blue jars.
Yes.
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 If you don't see my mother bake on a Sunday, you have to expect tire leaf.
Yes, people. Tell you the original blue jar songs. Yeah, man, remember that one, man.
Yeah,
All right.
Gram.
Gram. Where you get that name from?
Children and grandchildren.
Where you come with the name Gram?
Gram.
Why they call you so?
That me get him who had in a grade, I think I was Gram.
Oh, Gram.
Grandchildren and gram.
Do you remember when the Queen came to Jamaica?
No.
Remember?
don't remember.
Sometimes at daytime, what make you cry? Like in our house and cry. What make you cry?
Sit down. Get up and sit down one place and can't do nothing at all.
Oh, that make you sad.
Sometimes I do the foot, sometimes I would like to walk with the foot and I can't walk. I can't make it. I have to sit down and cry over all those things that I can't do again. I used to cook cane. On a queue.
You want you?
I used to cook cane and my machine. And chop my cane. After I chop my cane. But you don't want the machine, but I tie up the cane sometimes. Sometimes I don't tie them, don't go tie them. I put them in a heap. And feed them come and take them.
So what she eat now? Where you feed her now?
I gave her like pumpkin, chocho. I gave her like try to cook all the carrot and give her. She not eat it. She
They not like it,
no.
like it either.
So like we give her like a piece of one slice of sweet yam and renta yam. But for right now, since we discovered that she have the sugar, I will give her like pumpkin.
Yeah, the rent is here, but
So give her pumpkin, chocho. Ease off for the sweet potato, give her Irish.
and then the wrong one.
And the wrong one, so okay. She do not eat rice. She do not eat rice. Let's leave something.
And she not bread either.
Yes, she eat the bread.
She eat the bread.
Yes, she eat bread. And she do not eat vegetable.
And that's your food. Mama, you
Force her. You give her mama vegetable Sunday morning for her breakfast. Mama drink out the tea and then go scrape out the vegetable.
Yeah, they cook.
In the cup.
Mama, we do that too.
Say no on teeth. I say, Mama, if you not on teeth, I'm not give raw vegetable. I cook the vegetable. Here I go in her room. Tempted and trial. She don't sing no other song more than Tempted and Trial. So I always tell myself, say, she got passed off before me. If me have to sing that song at her funeral. And after she sing that done, you could hear her praying.
Yes, that's what
How you feel inside? Like, are you mentally prepared?
Yes.
Like you make peace with?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Okay.
Yeah, man.
Alright.
Mm-hmm.
You know, it's easy if you say that, you know.
And you know, say another said alone is doing too. Yeah, man, it's doing too.
Because have around you for so long, it's hard to let go.
Me cannot let go because I did prepare myself for this before it happened.
Okay.
I tell myself many years ago. Because even when she was like up and running, I would like live in Edlin Town. She took sick, and come and take her with me. I live in Cousins Cove. She went to the hospital and do operation. I do not send her back home. I take her in Cove with me.
So she always at your foot?
Always. She always. I tell her, say, my baby this long time, and she'll always be my baby.
Yeah, yes, you know, get on the says it's chopping for long.
She be Sunday morning, me go to church, she cry.
And she can't get figured.
Can't get figured.
Yes. So tell me to go down this step.
Alright people, so that was an interview with 100-year-old Essie Willucks and with the up on top of Jamaica. People, me mean say with the up so high that you can see the plane them all on a Mobay. Me now make this up. Now if you have not yet done so, please go ahead and hit the subscribe button. Please remember to like and share the video them as we travel around Jamaica and bring you nothing but just good real Jamaican vibe.
Always find joy in the smallest of things. That is what we found in you. Oh, you are joy. Never give up when the going gets rough. Hope is everything you need. Oh, you are home.